Your Excellency, our Supreme Leader, President Messrur Barzani, Your Excellency Speaker Mohammed Halbousi, Your Excellency KRI President Kognitcher von Barzani, President Roth, members of the board, distinguished guests, the AUK community, proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2023. Welcome to the American University of Kurdistan. We are here tonight to celebrate a significant milestone in American University of Kurdistan students' life, a landmark that is the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. From this moment onward, potential becomes reality. Your endeavors will start to be realized, and the dreams you have harbored throughout your time here will begin to take shape. The education you have received has prepared you all to be leaders in your fields and trailblazers for your people. Each one of you will go forth into the workforce prepared and able to make a difference. For some of you, the wider world calls. You will be on to some of the globe's most prestigious learning institutions to further your studies. Those who chose this path will be well equipped with what you have learned here. An AUK education has prepared you for a world stage. This is something of which I take particular pride. In 2012, I conceived of an institution that would be an incubator for the best of your youth, a place that would reward talent and hard work and provide opportunity for those who otherwise would not have been able to rise above the circumstances. KRI President shared this view and vision, and I am grateful for him for his early support and investment in the youth and the future of Kurdistan. Today, nearly 70% of AUK students are here on diverse scholarships. They are individuals from all walks of life, and the talent pool they contribute to is the engine room of our future. If you work hard on this campus, you will succeed, irrespective of your socioeconomic background, race, faith, ethnicity, or gender. AUK is a place of equal opportunity. This institution reflects the values of Mullah Mustafa Barzani, in whose name the foundation building of the university was enshrined. Those values are shared by my government and of the society we aim to build, a place where merit wins the day, where knowledge and innovation are driving forces and pioneers are rewarded. Make no mistake, when you invest your human capital in Kurdistan, you will find an environment that not only recognizes your potential, but is ready and willing to build on it. We embrace, not discourage, those who are smarter than us, or those who bring to the table ideas that we haven't thought of. I am committed to transforming Kurdistan into a knowledge nation, and I am confident that those who choose to build on their studies abroad will find ample reason to return home when their education is complete. It is our job to create the environment that lures the finest of our youth back home, and I make this commitment to you here tonight. We will do exactly that. Ladies and gentlemen, we do not fear change. Our society, like the world around us, is constantly evolving. While we will always be proud of our traditions, our history, and our culture, adaptation to the events and world around us is at times necessary. My advocacy to you tonight comes at a time when my government is putting in place a transformative agenda that puts our economy and society on a more competitive footing and gives us all stronger, more sustainable foundations. Change of this scale is not easy, and I have sought the truth of the Kurdish people as we drive this initiative together across the public sector in the first instance, and then banking, agriculture, and private initiatives. The cost that we will save from reform will be reinvested in our economy. They will help build better society for all. And as I stand before you tonight, encouraging you to take best practical skills into the workforce, I want you to understand that I practice what I preach. From this point onwards, we are in this together. I offer you a place in a collective team to build a stronger Kurdistan, a society that honors the memory and sacrifices of our forebears and builds a thriving country that would make both them and us proud. We can and we will do this. I would like you to take these twofold messages away from this place tonight. Leave this place knowing what you are good at and understand that you have the power to effect change. And secondly, have the courage of your conviction. The critical thinking you have learned here is an essential life skill. You can and you should test your boundaries and speak truth to power. Your contribution will be welcome. For the entrepreneurs and pioneers among you, my government encourages you, and I would like you to know that project grants and loans of great deal will soon be available through us. I will announce further details later this year. The process will be competitive, as it should be, but it encourages risk takers and those who dare to dream. All big businesses start with an idea and the courage to take it forward. And together we will help transform Kurdistan into a place where ambition is made. I would like to pay tribute to the AUK Foundation and the academic leaders who have helped guide this graduation class towards this evening, a fine group of dedicated men and women who are committed to the values that we hoped to instill in this institution. Your work will cross generations and help build this place into one of the finest universities in our region. I would also like to express my gratitude and appreciation for the leadership of President Messroor Barzani, an unwavering commitment to the Kurdish people. He's been a national constant. And his support for education has played a big role in us being here tonight. And to you, our graduates, remember, success is not solely defined by material wealth or societal recognitions. It is about finding purpose, making a positive impact, and living a life of fulfillment. It is about embracing your passions, pursuing life goals, and knowing your values in a world that will seek to undervalue you. As you prepare for your life ahead, remember the impact of empathy and collaboration. As young leaders, you now take on collective responsibilities to be catalysts of social justice and advocates for equality. May the values that you have learned on this campus continue with you through life. Embrace the unknown with open arms, for it is in the realm of uncertainty that true growth occurs. Take risks, learn from your failures, and continue to push the boundaries of what you believe is possible. Remember, the greatest achievements in history were born out of firmly founded values, resilience, and courage. Graduates, as you embark on this new chapter, do not let fear hold you back. Instead, let it be the fuel that propels you forward. Embrace the challenges that lie ahead, for they are opportunities in disguise. Your potential is limitless, and I have no doubt that you will make a profound impact on the world. Congratulations, class of 2023. Go forth. Chase your dreams relentlessly and make the world a better place. The future is in your hands, and I will be thrilled to bear witness to your accomplishments. Thank you.